What are you? Yeah, kind of. When to make more fire, you gotta put coal inside the little hole right there.
Yeah, it looks pretty packed in there. We'll probably wait for some of the other kids to get out there. Get you trampled here.
We're train robbers.
There's a bigger one over there.
So what's that way?
A bigger caboose over that side.
Let's go.
Fine, I can get up here.
Well, Layla was up there trying to get up, but she couldn't make it. Why else did they put that there?
You don't want to kill those nice plants. Those are rare.
It's true. And what they turn into?
Just kidding. Hey yo! Why is it all dirty? Now that's just weird. Where's your shirt? You need a shirt. Thomas, she doesn't have a shirt on. What the hell? Why don't she have a shirt on? Unless it's a key. She doesn't have a shirt on either. She's not wearing a shirt. She's wearing half a shirt. This one's at least half decent here. Nah, she ain't decent. Nah, don't go in there. Calvin, get down!
Get up there, Calvin.
Calvin, get down!
Okay, we are.
Because we have the Hartmans are coming Saturday.
Anyone home?